I, Nikola Tesla, consider my inventions in the realm of wireless communication among the most significant for humanity. My journey in this field was far from easy, filled with scientific experiments, doubts, and controversies. Yet, I always believed that the future belongs to those who can transmit information without wires, through space and time. In the early 1890s, I began investigating ways to transmit electrical energy and signals through the air. At that time, telegraphs and telephones operated only through wires, which I saw as a significant limitation for civilization. As both an engineer and a dreamer, I sought to break through these constraints. One of my greatest discoveries was the invention of high-frequency currents, which I started generating using a special device, my resonant transformer, now known as the Tesla coil. It can produce electrical oscillations with frequencies in the tens of thousands of hertz and voltages reaching millions of volts. In 1891, during a public lecture, I demonstrated these high-frequency electrical impulses and explained the mechanisms that later became the foundation for wireless telegraphy. I developed early methods for generating and receiving radio signals by utilizing phenomena of induction and resonance. By 1893, I had scientifically proven the existence of electromagnetic waves in the air, the very physical basis that enables radio to transmit information wirelessly over distances. That year, I performed a series of experiments and demonstrated to the public at Columbia College in New York some of the first examples of wireless signal transmission. Besides inventing new devices, I immediately started focusing on antennas, tall masts that became indispensable parts of any radio system. In 1893, I designed a special mast antenna capable of efficiently sending and receiving radio waves. A crucial step in advancing my systems was the extensive work developing a radio transmitter. In 1897, I secured patents for key elements of these technologies, which served as legal proof of my discoveries. Later, in 1898, I unveiled at the World's Fair in New York the teleautomaton, the world's first radio-controlled electric boat, demonstrating the potential of wireless remote control. My contributions to radio's invention sparked worldwide disputes. Many believe that Italian engineer Guglielmo Marconi was the inventor of radio, gaining fame and patent in this field. However, over time, especially with the 1943 US Supreme Court decision, it was recognized that many foundational radio inventions belonged to me, and my patents preceded Marconi's work. For me, the goal was not simply to replicate telegraphy or telephone without wires. I envisioned a new era of communications and the ability to transmit not only information, but also energy. I dreamt of a world where electricity and sound would propagate through space, unrestricted by any wires or physical boundaries. In my laboratory, in Colorado Springs and later at Wardenclyffe, I conducted experiments that brought me closer to this goal. I worked primarily on generating ultra-high frequency signals, studying resonance phenomena and considering the role of Earth's conductivity. Due to a fire in 1895, my New York laboratory was destroyed, along with many documents and instruments, delaying the project's progress. Nevertheless, I did not cease my work and shifted to new ideas. One innovation I realized was that signals could be transmitted over vast distances, using the Earth's ionosphere as a conductor of electromagnetic waves. This concept became the foundation for modern radio communication, satellite communications, and even GPS. My technologies opened the path to the development of television, mobile telephony, and the internet. Though I did not live to see many of these breakthroughs, my ideas and research continue to influence the evolutions of communication technologies. Today, wireless communications is an indispensable part of the lives of billions. I proudly look upon how my early steps became the foundation for this global network. My story is one of faith in science, inspiration, and perseverance. I believe wireless communication is just the beginning of a new era, where technology will connect people and ideas in one infinite network.
This has been another dispatch from the Dead Expert Society. The dead have spoken, but what say the living? Let us know below.